everybody, welcome to a C++ tutorial in which I will explain how to receive user input. So last time what we did is I think we covered variables. So you're going to be needing a variable for this, which is precisely why I made it in that order. Anyway, last video I showed you guys how to make variables. So our first variable will be an integer. So let's type in int. And then it's going to be, no, let's name it user input. And then on this line I'm just going to assign it. So if the user doesn't enter anything, if the user just pushes enter, then it's going to be equal to 0. You'll see what I mean later. So the default value for the user input is 0. Now we want to get computer input, obviously, into our user input. And yeah, so like when I say computer input, I'm sorry, I actually mean user input. So you type in cin and then 2 greater than signs. This should be the opposite of our cout. This is actually cin. And now we have to type in the variable that we want to input into. Obviously we want to input into our user underscore input. Let's type in user input. And a semicolon. You can build it now and see that we don't have any errors. And basically what our program is supposed to do is receive our user input. So first what it'll do is make our integer, call it user input and assign it to 0. Then it's going to get user input for our value, for our variable. So basically what that is when you type something and then hit enter, then the value, then whatever you type is going to be inside of user input. Since this is an integer, it can only hold numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So let's run it now. So there's a kind of like a text box. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me make it bigger. Oh wait, it doesn't resize. So you can type whatever you want to now. So let's say we want to give it 1183. 1183. And then it exits the program because it doesn't know what to do next. And yeah. So if we want to output what the user just inputted, what we can do is cout, and then you type in, and then I don't think I've covered this, but you can use multiple of these. So for example, you see in our Hello World program, I think we only did this, but you can also keep on adding in as many as you want. Like let's say you want to add in another, you want to add in another value, so and then let's say you want to add in a period, then you can also do that and it'll still work. So let's build and run it now. So it asks us for our input, so let's type in 7. You typed in 7, and there's even that period that we wanted it to do. And yeah. If I haven't told you guys this ENDL thing basically tells C++ to end the line right there. So yeah, it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.